Hello everyone. If you are using Athway Internet, just watch this video how to change the username and password. These are the lights should come in the modem. Phone light, internet light, and if you are using LAN should become Wi-Fi light. Then it will work. And internet light is coming means you will get internet light. Internet. In Athway there are two technologies, DOCSIS and GPON. GPON means fiber optic, DOCSIS means coaxial cable. This is a GPON device, and you will get this is a fiber optic cable. Patch cord is connected here exactly. If exactly connected means PON light will come in green light. If not means come in GPON. There are three devices. Jetty. See, you are able to see Jetty. This is a Jetty device, and there are two devices are present. As I told, in Athway there are three types of GPON devices are present. If you want to change the username and password in GPON, I will tell you. Another two devices are Genexis and Jetty 601 and 660. And now, as of now, I will tell you how to change the username and password in Jetty 660. First, you should connect to the Wi-Fi. Whatever present in your home, that Wi-Fi you should connect. Then only you can able to change the password. Connected. And next, go to the Chrome. Here you type it as a 192.168.1.1 and give enter. Before that give enter, you should turn up the mobile data, and you will get like refresh, you will get like this page. If you turn off only, mobile data should be turned off, and you will get like this. Here go to admin, username is small letters admin, and password is router backside will be present. That MAC address, first line MAC address, MAC, like that is a without hyphen you should enter. Without hyphen you should enter. Whatever is there you should enter. MAC address. V5. After this validation code you enter. After give login, you will get login page like this. Here go to network option, and in the same place only you will get WLAN option. WLAN. Here the configuration should be, if you have any speed issue, you have any problem, you are not getting range means you need to change bandwidth as 40 megahertz, and channel should be 9 will support for all devices, old device, new device, all and external channel should be upper. After give submit, now it will disconnect. Again you have to connect. Connected, go to that page only, and you want to know the username, where we have to change the username and password, right? Here SSID settings is there, right? Here you can change the username. Keep anything, if you want anything you can keep. As of now I'll keep as BMSN. And after giving name, Wi-Fi name, make submit. After submitting it will disconnect. After you have to go to the Wi-Fi. Here you got to see BMSN. Whatever you given name, that name is came, and again you enter the password. enter the password. If connect, after connecting, go to Google Chrome. Yes, same that page only, refresh, make it refresh, and same steps. Go to network and WLAN, and below SSID security will be present. Press on that, make it enable. Here you can change password, whatever you can give. Minimum 8 letters should be there. I will give as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 0. I will give anything you want to give, you can give. After, make submit, continue. It will disconnect now, and you go to Wi-Fi. Again you have to enter the Wi-Fi password, because you change it, right? It will not connect. Again it will ask password, or give forgot. Again you connect. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, whatever you can connect, and it will be connected. This is the process how to change the username and password. If you want to know another devices like Jetty, Genesis, Technicolor, DOCSIS device how to change means, watch the next video. You will able to see. Please subscribe and encourage me.